Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ibnu Binavian. Here I will explain my case in title Design of Temperature Control System and Smart Farming for Chicken Farm Using IoT. At the first, I will explain the table of contents, which is there is background, formulation of problem, scope of problem, goal, research library, basic theory, flowchart, hardware and software, and parameter testing. At the background, currently the farm is one of the business that are growing very rapidly with the prospect of large profit and have a very high demand due to consumption of chicken meat in the community that increase every year. The disadvantage of farmers is running such business are the lack of innovation in managing farms, lack of skills, and also lack of efficiency in terms using means in livestock production. One of the indicators of care in chicken farm is the appropriate temperature, which is currently the farmer must manually check the temperature in the farm area. Entering the industrial revolution 4.0, there was a lot of technological development in all fields, including in the field of animal husbandry. One of them is Internet of Things based technology. By combining the Internet of Things method with chicken farming, it is expect the activities of the farm will be more effective. This method aims to make chicken farming more efficient and effective by implementing smart farming. And next is problem formulation. Based on the background of the problem that has been described, the problem formulation in this study is the one is how to facilitate broiler chicken farmers in monitoring the growth factor of broiler chicken. L2, how to monitor the temperature in real time. 3, how to design a system that suits the need of chicken farms. Scope problems. The limitation of the problems of this study are 1. The scope only covers monitoring information. 2. Smart farm does not cover all aspects of chicken coop management. And the goals aim to make chicken farming more efficient and effective with smart farm, which can monitor temperature and manage chicken coop environment. As a solution to make it easier to regulate the temperature of the chicken coop to remain ideal according to the needs. As a good environmental management in the chicken coop and make it easier for chicken farmer to monitor the situation in the chicken coop so as to produce the best quality of chickens. And Richard in this library according to Aziza Ismi in 2019 in her research entitled Smart Farming for Chicken Farm, and then Pasnur and partner in 2019 with his research entitled Ideal Temperature Control System for Broiler Chicken Coops based on Internet of Things IoT technology. Then there is Dava Ramadan and partners in 2020 with research entitled Implementation Smart Chicken Coop Internet of Things to monitoring and controlling chicken farm. And next is basic theory. Internet of Things or IoT is a communication technology between machines using an internet connection. This form of intelligent communication is also called machine to machine with human its managers and users. When your various business assets are connected to our internet, you can get detailed information about your current or real-time business condition. Thus, operational planning, monitoring of performance, and maintenance of the quality of the good can be done based on the right data. The Internet of Things relates to Internet as connectivity between sensor or device that will communicate with each other in the cloud. The from sensor sent to the cloud will be processed by software that will determine the next action. This action can take the form of sending alerts, scheduling, adjustment, closing access to tools, and otherwise. Elements that make up the Internet of Things are sensor of device. These sensors are tasked with collecting data all the time according to specified time interval. And connectivity selection is always tailored to the need of user for industries that use many small devices in large areas. Data processing: when data from the sensor enters the cloud, processing begins. And user interface: UI is where data is displayed so that user can observe real-time activity that occur on all devices. Next is MQTT protocol. In this protocol, development works and the cloud. This protocol runs on TCP/IP stack on data agnostic protocol. User can send any data such as binary data, XML. MQTT also works by pressing the data package as little as possible so that traffic can increase and energy and stored media to be minimum. MQTT protocol uses publish and subscribe models. And next, RedNote. This is a tool that contains flaws in the design of the Internet of Things to make it easier for users. Flow or workflows are described with interconnect nodes where each node performs a specific task in the Internet of Things smart farm design. But Android is used to control and visualization. Hardware and software. In the hardware, we have a sensor, temperature sensor, DHT11, delay to channel, not MCU, USB 332, MQ6 sensor under the smartphone, and microcontroller. In the software, we have Link software, MQTT, and Firebase. And this is a flowchart to the design system. In accordance with the flowchart of the research flow, the first step is literature study conducted by the author by reading books, scientific journal, and information from the internet. Then in hardware design is the process of collecting tools and materials needed in the design of tool. In the design of the tool requires Arduino device as a data processor and the entire system. Then there is a software preparation that to use the Blink application to send command and receive the status of Arduino commands. After that will be done testing tools and parameters. If it has not been successful in testing, it will repeat the step of hardware and software design. System works. The system works by sending sensor data to MQTT via Wi-Fi. The sensor sends data input to the ESP32 microcontroller in the temperature system will work in accordance with the conditioned temperature condition. Namely, if the temperature is above average, then the air conditioner will be lit. While if the temperature below average, then the heating lamp will turn on that the temperature is the chicken coop is expected to be stable and the comfort level of the chicken will be stable as well. Next, monitoring testing. The temperature and humidity value change every day due to erratic weather factors and environmental conditions around the cage. However, it has no effect on chickens because the control system that has been networked with, in addition to the system that works well, it can also be influenced by other factors such as the actual temperature fed by chickens in contrast to the temperature in air, adaptation of chicken feed and drink available, and also the administration of vaccine and sufficient vitamins. I think that's all for me. Thank you so much for having me. I would like to be apologies if there is any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.